Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can enable voice chat in Nintendo Switch Fortnite. So first of all, you'll have to launch the game and then you'll have to go to settings, and from settings you'll have to go to the audio section, and then you'll have to make sure in the volume category your voice chat is turned on, it is not 0%. After that you'll have to scroll down until you go to the voice chat section. So in the voice chat section you will see this voice chat option. So if it is turned off, what you can do is you can toggle it to friends only, friends and teammates and everybody. So if you want only your friends to hear you, you can put it to friends only, and if you want everybody to hear you, you can do everybody, leave it to everybody. Also, what you'll have to do is you'll have to change the voice chat method to open mic or push to talk. So if you select push to talk, you'll need to press a key to talk, and otherwise your teammate won't be able to hear you. And if you put it on open mic, everyone will hear you all the time. You don't need to push any specific key for your voice chat to work. So after these two toggle, you can enable your voice chat in game. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.